Hello, welcome to APG.STUDIO. My name is Alicia, fitness yoga expert. And as every Wednesday, we've got special sessions, special exercise you can do easily at home for better posture, for posture correction. And the common one we have is hands back, round shoulders and tech stacks. So what to do to make this muscle stronger and be able to stretch the front of your body, especially your chest. So now we're going to practice how to do that. Okay, let's go. You're going to start in stand-up position, feet with your shoulders width apart, bring your arms front of you, and when you inhale, try to pull your elbows and squeeze your shoulder blades. And as you exhale, relax your arms. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Really try to activate muscles in your upper back as much as you can. Shoulders back. Try to squeeze your shoulder blades, all the muscles between your shoulder blades, between your scapulas. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And two more. And relax. Now, with your right arm, inhale to your side, palms facing forward. As you exhale, rotate and try to bring behind. Again, the same muscles are working, shoulder and your elbow, to pull back, but without leaning forward or bending forward. Inhale, slowly exhale. Or without pushing your hips, that's not good for your lower back. So as long as you've got your position upright, maybe you will bring your arm to your side instead behind, which is fine. We need to start somewhere. So you need to find what you can do, what your body's capable to do, and just respect your limitations. Work with them. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And relax. Try with your left. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And relax. Now roll your shoulders back and down. Inhale and exhale. Staying as upright as you can. And one more. Okay, now take position at your floor. And when you inhale, tuck your toes under. Try to push your belly down to arch your back and press your shoulders down to lift your head. Inhale. As you exhale, just hold your spine nice and long. We're not doing the opposite way because you've got these muscles weak and overstretched. So we focus more to make this movement, to work with the upper back, to activate muscles, make them contract. Inhale and exhale. Head position, very important. Everybody has the cake neck, so you try to lift as high as is comfortable for you. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And one more. Okay. Now, on your knees with your left leg front of you. Left hand on your knee, right to the front. And you're trying to twist your upper body and you're pulling your arm and the right shoulder back. So it's not only to open your chest, mobilize your spine, but also to stretch your left leg. Inhale. And exhale. Again, just to the moment, your position is still nice and upright. If you notice any movement, leaning forward, bending forward, just stop because your body is compensating. Okay. Inhale. And exhale. And one more. And relax. Okay. Now you've got your right to the front and to your right side. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Maybe two more. And slowly stand up. Now you're going to lift your arms as high as you can. And again, as you exhale, try to pull your shoulders back. And relax. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Maybe two more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And relax. Now just move side to side to mobilize your spine. Try to relax your shoulders. Okay, now you can sit on the floor. You can stay in stand-up position. And now your head. When you inhale, try to lift as high as you can. As you exhale, back to now to the natural position. When you inhale, lifting up to work with your muscles in your neck. As you exhale, keep your head in the right position. Your chin parallel to the floor. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Maybe two more. Now lacy fingers, palms forward, but without bending, leaning forward. Just work with your arms, pushing forward. So it's like pushing something away front of you to stretch your upper back, but without, again, exaggerating your alignment in your spine already. And slowly relax. Next one is lifting your right arm again without any movement. Hips in the front or chest forward. Check what's your range of movement in your shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Again, squeezing shoulder blades. The moment you're lifting your arm, really work with your muscles on your right side. Inhale. And exhale. Try to roll and pull down. Okay, now try your right, inhale. And I've done right, left, inhale. And exhale. And now you can try both together. Again, pull back and down. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And relax. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope it was a good session, good stretching to improve your posture, not only to look better, but also to bring and improve the capacity of your lungs. So if you've got migraines, headaches, that could be the case because your breathing pattern is not as supposed to be. The muscles tight, your breath are very shallow. Okay, so to make your breaths much deeper, it's all about flexibility in your chest, all the muscles in your chest and your shoulders. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, leave the comments if you've got any favorite exercise, or maybe you've got one still not sure if you're doing correctly, or maybe you need some adaptations, so let me know, leave the comments below the video. If you're watching first time and you like it, please subscribe and click notification bell. Correction posture every Wednesday, and we've got different classes 5 or even 6 times per week. So thank you for now, stay safe, healthy, tune with us, and I see you next week.